This is not a formal trial or formal exchange of pleading. What happened a few days ago was that we got a notice of assignment. The sheriff made a return today. They called Councillor Frank Musa Dean and said there's a notice of assignment for you. He picked up the phone. He said a wrong number. When the sheriff was insisting, trying to inform him of the urgency of the case, he said wrong number. He called out the phone. When they called him later on, he said, I'm out of the bailiwick of Mosurado County. Before the sheriff could tell him, say, show me who should sign for the notice of assignment, he called out the phone completely. In the case of the former Minister of Mines and Energy, he said, when they called him, he said, I'm in Marshall. The sheriff then got in the car and went to Marshall. When he got to Marshall, he said, I'm in Monrovia. When the sheriff came back to Monrovia, when they called him, he said, I'm in Magibi. So you see that kind of jackrabbit style running all over the place. The law is chasing them. That means it's the law. The old man that owned the diamond, he's sick. He can't even walk. He needs money to seek medical attention. My only role into this case is not to go after an individual, but to make sure that justice is served and to make sure that the rights of the poor people are protected. Those basic fundamental rights, their property rights under our law.
So, Council, 2 of the several others who were under arrest, we saw them in the court. What are they going to be? What's going to be the next step?
Well, there was a question we passed to the judge that when you are looking for 8 persons and 3 come forward, you hold that 3 while you're waiting for the balance 5. So they are being held. They are being held. It is the court that will determine what happens to them. The only thing I'm interested in, or my client is interested in, is the diamond, or its fair market value of $11.5 million. Those who said they were men yesterday are now in hiding. There is no escape for them. I have no part to play. I am not the one who wrote the opinion. The judge wrote this. And he said 6 persons should be arrested and detained. And he named them as follows. Councillor Frank Musa Dean Jr. should be detained, put in common jail at the Monrovia Central Prison until he can bring the diamond. Gessler Murray, Emmanuel Titi Swain, Ishaya Baku, Mustafa Tonkara, and there's a fellow called Cover Besa. It's Cover Besa who provided, according to the judge, the false certificate of origin and distorted the information to prove that the diamond was belonging to Mustafa Tonkara. We have documents in our possession in which Mustafa Tonkara wrote an application, requested to export the diamond.